BypassPen AI Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. In this video, I'll provide a detailed review of BypassPen AI, focusing on its features, usability, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. BypassPen AI is an advanced AI-powered tool designed for users who need to bypass content restrictions and access blocked websites or services. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or someone dealing with restrictive internet access, this tool could be a game changer. The platform is designed to seamlessly bypass firewalls, geo-restrictions, and censorship systems that block certain types of content. One of its key features is its ability to mask your IP address and simulate browsing from various locations worldwide. During my tests, BypassPen AI did an excellent job of accessing region-locked content on platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and even local news websites that are often restricted based on geography. This makes it an ideal tool for anyone needing to access content from multiple countries or avoid government censorship. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You can quickly set up the tool, select your desired location, and start bypassing restrictions with minimal effort. The tool also works on both desktop and mobile devices, offering flexibility for those who need it on the go. When it comes to performance, BypassPen AI delivers reliable and fast connections with low latency. Streaming in HD and browsing without noticeable lag was smooth, even with multiple servers being accessed simultaneously. Additionally, the AI continuously learns and adapts to new blocking methods, ensuring long-term usability. In terms of pricing, BypassPen AI is competitively priced, offering flexible subscription plans to suit different user needs. Whether you're an occasional user or require consistent access, you'll find a plan that fits your budget. In conclusion, BypassPen AI is a powerful and reliable tool for anyone needing to bypass restrictions and access content freely. Whether for personal use, work, or digital marketing, this tool provides the speed, security, and ease of use necessary for bypassing even the most secure firewalls. Check out the links in the description to learn more or try it for yourself.